Rheem 240V 3 Heating Chambers RTEX-24 Residential Tankless Water Heater. The Rheem 240V 3 Heating Chambers RTEX-24 Tankless Water Heater is good for both single point of use or multiple applications because it gives you on-demand continuous hot water for RV or home. This compact unit is efficient, reliable, and versatile. The bright LED external thermostat control displays the exact temperature ranging from 80 degrees Fahrenheit to 140. And the copper immersion heating elements are exceedingly durable, as well as easily replaceable in times of maintenance. Impressively, this is a self-modulating water heater, so it automatically adjusts to meet the hot water demand. Overall, this is a reliable tankless water heater that can rise to the demand of multiple applications throughout the entire house. It delivers consistency with temperature and ultimately saves the user a lot of money down the line. Pros: easily adjust power to meet hot water demand. Simple installation, bright LED display, durable copper immersion. Cons: installation requires knowledge of running wire. Best for single faucet use.